Hello, today we're going to show you how to program a Better Home Products electronic deadbolt. Your deadbolt does come with a manufacturer's user code of 1234 and a manufacturer's programming code of 4 zeros. So the first thing after installation you need to do is detect the left and right handing. To do this, you would use your programmer's code of 4 zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0, BHP, 0, then BHP. If this is done correctly, it will blink green. So to test it, you can push your BHP button and it should lock. Now push in your user code, 1, 2, 3, 4, then BHP, and it'll unlock. Now to delete our manufacturer's user code, you'll need to put in your programming code of 4 zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0, BHP, the number 2, BHP, then 1, 2, 3, 4, then BHP. So to add your new user code, which can be a 4 to 10 digit randomly selected number, today we're going to be using 6, 7, 8, 9 as our number. To do this, push 4 zeros, BHP, the number 1, BHP, then 6, 7, 8, 9, then BHP. Again, if it blinks green, that means it's done correctly. So to test it, push your BHP button, it should lock. Your new user code, 6, 7, 8, 9, then BHP, and it should unlock. If at any time you're having any issues, you can take off your battery cover. And there's a reset button here. Find something small like a little screwdriver. Push the button in and hold it for 10 seconds until it beeps 3 times. Now that you have your deadbolt reset, before you do any other programming of any codes, you need to detect your left and right handing first. And that's how you program a Better Home Products deadbolt.